How is it possible that the best and the brightest people we look up to can still get nailed late in their careers? And I have several examples in the back of my head, including my own example, including your example, right? The lives we have lived. You need to be brave and have this grit, determination, investing in real estate. So if you have an insight into that answer, please give us that insight, because we all, as professional investors, carry that question.
Yeah, well, there's two parts to it. One is you have to understand that your business or your investment or your portfolio doesn't exist in a vacuum. It exists in an ecosystem. And the ecosystem isn't static. It's very, very fluid. So the way I liken it, my little illustration, in fact, I have a graphic for it, is it's a ship floating on an ocean. And so you have an ecosystem under the water, much of which you can't see. There's currents and there's creatures and there's things going on. And then above the waterline, you have what you really focus your time on, which is your ship, your environment, the thing that you are responsible for maintaining. But you're being blown around by weather, and there's weather formations that you can see, but there's things over the horizon you can't see. And so when you begin to understand that dynamic, you realize how important it is to have good data, to know how to read the stars, to be able to know how to read the winds, to be up on that perch and look out at the horizon, see further down the food chain, that you're probably not going to have enough experience or expertise on your own to be able to see all that, which is why it's so important to be part of groups where other people are bringing in different perspectives, listening to a lot of different points of view, not residing in an echo chamber.